Hello students. So, we are doing experiment of the class 10. We are doing the types of chemical reaction, and we are going to show you the precipitation reaction between the different compounds. And you know that the precipitation reaction is a kind of the double displacement reaction. So, let us see what kind of double displacement reaction may happen among the different chemical compounds or different chemical reactants. Okay. So, we have some reagents, we have taken some reagent, and we will do the reaction between those reagent. I will see the which kind and which color of the precipitate is observed. So, first we are going to react barium chloride with sodium sulphate. You know that if there is a sulphate group present in an organic sulphate group present in a given compound, if the sulphate group is given present in a given compound, then we can detect using barium chloride solution. So, let us see the reaction. So, we have a sodium sulphate. We are taking a small quantity of sodium sulphate here in a test tube, and to this, using a dropper, we will add small quantity of barium chloride solution. If the substance contains the sulphate group, it must give the white precipitate. So, let us see what happens here. So, it's a barium chloride solution. So, let us see what happens. You can see the formation of white precipitation when the barium chloride has been added to sodium sulphate solution. So, the formation of this white precipitate shows that the previous compound were containing sulphate group. We have taken sodium sulphate there, and on reaction of sodium sulphate with barium chloride, we have barium sulphate in form of white precipitate and sodium chloride in the aqueous medium. So, this reaction shows that the given compound contains sulphate group, and the reaction with sodium sulphate and barium chloride gave barium sulphate and sodium chloride solution. Okay. The barium sulphate has a white precipitate, which we have seen. Now the second reaction we can show in form of double displacement reaction or precipitation reaction, a reaction between lead chloride and potassium iodide, the lead chloride and potassium iodide. So, lead chloride when react with potassium iodide, it gives a PbI2 lead iodide, which is yellow in color. So, let us see what happens in the reaction. So, we have taken a clean test tube, and to this we have added a small quantity of lead chloride, Okay. We have added small quantity of lead chloride in the clean test tube, and using a dropper, first we should clean the dropper. The dropper should be cleaned, otherwise it may give different reactions. So, using a dropper, we will add a small quantity of potassium iodide to this lead chloride solution. So, let us see what happens. As expected, it should give a yellow color. So, you can see the formation of a yellow precipitate when lead chloride reacts with potassium iodide solution. So, this is a very original yellow color, and you can see it is a very beautiful yellow color we have observed. So, these are simple reactions which is a kind of a double displacement reaction or precipitation reaction. We can see the observation of a precipitate here, that when two different substances combine together leading to the formation of precipitate, then the reaction is called precipitation reaction, and is also called a double displacement reaction. Thank you.